I'm making this video to alert you of a scam I fell months ago and that left me very unmotivated, as I've been suffering for years with weak teeth. And falling for a blow made me think that I only came into this world to suffer. Sorry to start this video like that, but it's because I still feel dumb and I don't want this to happen to anyone else. My name is Elaine, and yes, I fall for a blow in relation to Dentitox Pro. I know that despair led me to that, but there are also many people who do not care about the pain of others. Only after I bought it and used it did I realize that nothing happened. That's when I went after the people in charge, but they didn't exist anymore. I bought it from a site that didn't have credentials and no certificate for anything, but at the time I didn't think about these details, just wanted to have my perfect smile. I got in touch with the producers of the real Dentitox Pro and they explained to me that there really are a lot of wrong people in this world and also said that they only sell through the official website, which is what I'll leave in the description if anyone wants to buy it. In case you don't already know, Dentitox Pro is a natural vitamin. The product is made in the USA, in FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities, under sterile, strict and precise standards. Dentitox Pro is not genetically modified and is safe. You can be sure it doesn't contain dangerous stimulants or toxins, and most importantly, it's not addictive. The minimum recommended treatment is 90 days, where you will be able to have the most desired effects for the health of your teeth, just like I felt, and also so that one jar doesn't run out before you buy another. I came through this video to alert you, because I felt it on my skin and I'm still running after to get my money. Do like me. Buy only through the official website that is in the description and in the first comment attached.